Billzart.s Vintage Toy Store. I have all kinds of errors. Found all kinds of error cards today. I got these today. Compare it with that one. It's got a little sunroof. I got this one today because I thought it would go good with this one. And then I found this one, but he's got some paint chippage at the bottom, right there by that tire. So I'm going to have to get another one, like the number's coming off or something. But I'm going to rip him out. Here's my air. He's missing. He's not in the car. He is not in there. He's gone. Let's see. The driver is in the car. The driver is out of the car. It's like I got all these errors. They stole the interior and motor out of that one. That Volkswagen does not have a windshield. There's what it looks like with the windshield. And there's what it looks like with the motor in the interior. Kind of messed up. So we're going to rip these three out. Of course, I didn't get the treasure hunt of that one, which would have been nice. Can't find it. It's a super treasure hunt of that one. So we're not going to open the air ones. There's my 3 air cars. But we will open him to go with him. So we'll go to our ripping table. Ta-da! Chill Mill. Pretty funky ride. Like, he would go good with this one. Chill Mill. Focus. Cool. See the motor inside there. It's nothing but motor. Man. Crazy. And then this one. This one has paint chippage going on inside there. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. There it is. Right there. I'll have to keep buying them until I get a perfect one. Oh, look at that. Number 2 is demolished. Brand new out the blister and already coming off. It's on there pretty good. Still cool. I still race. At least he's in the car. Neat colors for 2020. This is pretty neat. Bike is nicely painted. Got a few of these. Land Rover Series 3. Pretty realistic like. That's cool. Put him in my little city by the train tracks. Like that tire. Pretty cool. Alright. Nice little job they did on that one. Now this one. Land Rover Series 3. A whole bunch of Land Rovers. A Land Rover video. Oh, the Baja Blazers. Pretty neat little ride. Cool. '67 Jeepster Commando. Now this one here comes in a super treasure hunt. Be nice if I could find it. It'll look just like this one, except it won't be just like this one. Almost the same color. Same tempo, except it'll say TH right there after 25, and it'll be a Spectra Flame teal. So keep your eye out. Keep your eyes out, because there is a super treasure hunt of this vehicle in stores near you. Shh. And I'd love to find it. It would be nice. It would be nice. But until then, it's not gonna happen. Tragic accident happened over the weekend. FEMA has came in and declared the city a complete disaster from gigantic overgrown kitties. So Billzart.s vintage toy store has been hit with a natural disaster. It's over for us. All because of that thing right there. Think it's funny, huh? Well, guess what?